Was it a learning experience for you to work with Anil Kapoor?
Well, I think it's wonderful to work with seasoned actors like, Anil Kapoor, there's Akshay, there are so many stars in the film. So there is so much you learn from all of these actors. Apart from that, my character in Bewafa was that of a mature woman. I played a wife. So, we took a lot of care of the look in terms of the hair, makeup, what I wore. And there is a lot I learned from Dharmeshi as far as acting is concerned. Even small things like makeup. He's so particular about makeup as well, which is really, really nice. So I can't say I've not learned anything from that man. You know what I'm saying?
Coming back to Zahir, Bardana films are known to be made in a relatively short period of time.
Yeah.
Is it taxing or does it help?
I think it's amazing. One of the things I liked about this unit was the fact that, we finished the film so fast, it helps you stay in character. What the hell was that? Oh, sorry. Okay, sorry, you want me to do that again?
Yeah.
Okay, what did I start off with? What? Just say, ask me the question again.
Yeah, the films are, Bachchan's films are known to be made in a relatively short span of time. Does it help you focus more?
I think it really helps because it helps you stay in character. When the film start to finish film kind of helps you. Apart from helping you stay in character, I guess you just get better and better. In time, it helps you kind of understand your character better. When there's a gap in the middle and you're shooting, for another film, then you do get distracted a little, and then it takes some time to get back into character. But I think it's amazing that they complete their films so fast. That's one of the really, really good things about working with the Bhatts.
What kind of work are you looking at now? What would you like to do?
Well, I don't know. Characters with good scope for performance. Anything can excite me. I don't know, to be very honest. Well, I've not tried comedy. I'd love to try that. Apart from that, yeah, let's just take it one step at a time.
Besides that, which films are you going to be seen in?
Well, there's Fareeb. After this, that's with Shilpa and Manoj. And after that, there's Rokda. That's with Ramesh Katkar. He's Ramuji's assistant.